To set up voice chat in Monster Hunter Wilds, first let's open the options for our game and then navigate to the audio section. Right here we should be able to find all of the settings regarding voice chat. The first one is the option which allows you to enable or disable it, and when it's enabled then your voice chat will be always on and you'll be able to speak all the time. When you disable it, it will turn off your voice chat entirely, and when you set it to push to talk, it will only work when you click on the corresponding button, but keep in mind that it's only available for keyboard. It won't work on the controller. I will show you the key in a moment. Let's move to the other settings. Next is voice chat volume, which speaks for itself. You can adjust how loud voice chat will be. Then there's voice chat auto toggle that you can switch between 3 different settings. There's prioritize quest members, automatically switch to quest member voice chat when starting a quest, and etc. You can read them if you like and choose whichever option you prefer right here. And now let me show you the button and how to find it, as it may be actually confusing. So we need to go back to our main menu, navigate to keyboard configuration, and then we can select all melee weapons. And now when we scroll down, we need to look for the option with a voice chat. So it should be somewhere around here in chat controls. There's push to talk and it's under T by default. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.